Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to Bright Start Education Hub. I want to believe that we are all doing good today. You're welcome to another episode of Learning with Miss Angela. And today we'll be exploring a different topic. But before we start this lesson, let me use this opportunity to say a big thank you. This is our routine. This is our way here in Bright Start Education Hub. We are always grateful for your subscription, your show of love, the likes to our video, your comments. We are really grateful. So we want to say a big thank you to our new subscribers and to those that have always been tuning into Bright Start Education Hub. Thank you so much. Today's lesson will be focusing on consonant digraph blending. So here we have, let's blend consonant digraph. We have the bl, cl, pl, l, sl, and gl. We're going to blend this out even more, and then we will explore them with visuals. Here we have b, l, b, l. Next, l, p, l. Again, we have sl, sl. Next, gl, gl. We have cl, cl, fl, fl. So we've blended all of this out. From the next slide, we are going to see the visuals. The first slide is the BL blends. Let's blend them together. Black, black, ox, blocks, blanket, blanket, blender, blender, blow, blow, blue, blue, blossom, blossom. Lastly, blink, blink. We're moving to the next slide, which is cl. Let's start. Cl, up, clap, clock, clock, climb, climb, class, class, cloud, cloud, clown, clown, clam, clam. Lastly, clay, clay. Next is the glue blend. Let's blend together. Glue, 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 gloves, glide, glide, glad, glad, glow, glow, globe, globe, gloom, gloom. Lastly, glass, glass. From this slide, we have the fl and pl. Let's blend together. Flute, flute, flash, flash, flirt, float, fluffy, fluffy, plug, plug, plan, plan, plate, plate. Lastly, plus, plus. From the last slide, we have the SL blends, which says sl, slide, slide, slot, slot, sleep, sleep, slug, slug, sleep, sleep, sled, sled, sleeve, sleeve, and lastly, slice, slice. Wow, amazing. Thank you, breath learners. We have come to the end of today's blending section. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do well to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. See you in my next one. Bye!